Hey guys, it's Quick Tech Take. I've got an unboxing of a 5-in-1 docking station. So I paid $16 on Amazon for this docking station. It has micro SD card slots, 3 HDMI ports I believe. The connections through USB Type-C to your laptop. So it's comes in a decent small box which looks okay. So we're gonna rip this open now and see how it performs. So using my ripper here to rip through the box. Mind you, getting a knife will be more efficient than this, but that's it, I'm done. I guess some inscriptions from its true manufacturer. So is this a warranty card? Amazon review card. Okay, give it a review, that's nice. Okay. Wow, it's made of metal. Wow, it's made of metal. It looks pretty decent. It's USB 3.0. 2 more USB 3.0 port, and an SD card and a micro SD card slot. Connection through USB Type-C interface. Well, seems it's pretty small and decent. And I'm guessing it should do the job, and I'm sure it's compatible with both Mac and Windows OS. If not, I'll let you guys know in the video. So well, that's it. The product name is BYEASY. So let's hope I'm gonna have an easy time using this dongle or docking station, as they would like to call it. So that's it guys, it's Quick Tech Take. Like, share and subscribe, and have a good one.